Hi friends, this is Andy from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the procedure to basically replace the keyboard, remove the DVD writer and put it as an additional HDD caddy for SSD, and also to upgrade the hard drive and the RAM of the Dell Vostro 3568. Now this video also to a certain extent applies to the Inspiron 3567. We will show you in another video. It's pretty much similar to that the entire assembly process. So after this after watching this video you will be able to access the hinges, the motherboard, the Wi-Fi, CMOS cell, everything literally. You can remove the heatsink and the fan, and everything is pretty much accessible after watching this video. So if your laptop is something which looks like this on the top, and once opened, if it has this kind of a keyboard, and if the base looks like this, then you can apply this procedure. This procedure also applies to the 3468 series of Dell laptops. So you need to have a screwdriver set, you need to have a prier like this for removing the keyboard, and you need to have a plastic prier for removing the base. Also, we suggest you have a partition box when you're disassembling any laptop to keep the screws of different kind into different partitions. So people who want to replace the keyboard, you just need to remove the battery first thing first, and you need to remove the keyboard. There are these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notches which you need to remove. So just press over here and release. The keyboard will basically give away, as you can see, and there's this connector over here, keyboard connector, that you need to remove. You can take another keyboard of the same kind and replace the keyboard. Moving on, people who want to now disassemble the laptop and upgrade the hard drive, RAM, remove the DVD writer, put the caddy, you need to remove all the visible screws of the touchpad area first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Now you need to remove this optical disc drive, very frantically placed connector actually. So you just need to open this notch and remove it. Now all the screws have been removed, so you need to now go to the base. All the screws that are visible here have to be removed. So for people who only want to remove the DVD writer, they can just remove this one screw over here and just remove the DVD writer like this. So if you want to replace it with a caddy for putting an additional hard drive, you can take a 9mm HDD caddy and it will fit fine, or a SATA DVD writer. 9mm SATA DVD writer will fit fine. So we'll keep this aside. Now there are these screws over here also, 1, 2, 3, which you need to remove. So we'll start here. Now you need to start protruding the base. The entire base will come off, so we will start with over here. See the base giving away. The entire base will be off like this. So you have to be very careful with this cable actually when you're putting it back. We'll show you. Now as you can see, there are 2 DIMM slots, and this is the hard drive that we displaced. These are speakers, CMOS cell, Wi-Fi chip over here. So pretty much everything is immediately available to configure. So for the hard drive, we will just need to remove these screws over here. Be very careful with the strip connector. Actually, it is very delicately made, so just need to remove it like this, and you can actually remove the strip connector. Take another hard drive, a 2.5 SATA hard drive, SSD or a HDD, and you need to another 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the frame. You just take this frame off and put another hard drive in this frame and fit it back inside. So fit it back as of now. Very carefully again put this strip connector back. Now coming to the RAM, there are these two slots. Just use your two thumbs and you can basically remove the RAM. So in the quad core variant, there is only one slot. The Core i3 and Core i5, there are two slots. So the total upgrade capacity of this particular laptop is up to 32 GB practically, if you have 16 GB each in this particular DIMM area. But as of now, 8 plus 8 is what is practical, which is available also. So take another RAM, which is. So for the RAM, we need to buy a DDR4 low voltage 2133 MHz memory. We have Corsair RAM with us, so we suggest Corsair or Transcend or Xeon brands. Basically, you just need to take this RAM and insert it like this over here and just press, and the two notches will take over. Now we need to reassemble the whole laptop, for which you need to put in the base back. Be very careful while putting this particular base over here, otherwise it will get, so that it is okay. And we will start pressing it back. Be a lot of crackling sound, so don't worry, because they are the flower bracket arrangements. Now you can check the RAM upgrade inside the BIOS as well as in the Windows. It would have upgraded to whatever memory you have upgraded it. In this case, we have upgraded to 8 GB from a 4 GB laptop RAM. So this, my friends, was a video showing you how to basically replace the keyboard, DVD writer with the HDD caddy or another DVD writer, or the hard drive, RAM. We have also shown you Wi-Fi and the CMOS cell of the Dell Vostro 3568. Hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Do let us know your suggestions and comments. You can buy all these components on our website techstore.co.in. Thank you so much, guys.